Hey guys, and how's it going? Welcome back. So in this video we're going to swap out these mirrors for some Doubletake mirrors. I'm just hoping that they'll be able to extend out a little bit so I can see past my shoulder slightly better. So we've also got this charger, but we'll save that for another video because I don't think that cable's long enough. Anyways, back to the mirrors. We'll open this up, take them off, but first we'll test to see how much these actually vibrate. I'm going to see if we can do it just with the bike idling and maybe give it a few revs, and then we'll see if we can compare it to the Doubletake mirrors and see if we notice any difference. So first things first, let's get this bag open. Alright, let's get this thing open. She's well wrapped, that's for sure. I thought these were indestructible mirrors. Why is there so much bubble wrap? I'm just joking. Alright. There they are. I got the round ones, guys. If you can see. They're actually a little bit bigger than what I thought they would be. And obviously we've got the RAM connection, the ball, things like that. So what we'll do is we'll just go over to the bike. We'll put it on idle and we'll see how much these stock mirrors vibrate, and then we'll go from there. Let's see if you can see any vibration with the stock mirrors. I'm going to do it this way because I think while you're riding it's going to be slightly harder to tell, so we'll just give it a couple of revs while it's sitting there and compare the two. So let's start up the bike. That should do it. Hopefully you've seen something in there. If not, I won't add it in the video. Anyways, let's get installing these mirrors. Alright, nice and easy. 17mm. Right there. Let's see if I can... Yep, there we go. Get that loose and should be able to wind the mirror off. If I... There we go. So what I think I might do is put just a tiny little bit of Loctite on the ball joint. Can't hurt, right? Alright, next one. So I just had a quick sit down on the bike, and I can honestly say it was a huge difference because they're so much further out. I haven't finished finally adjusting them yet, but yeah, I'm absolutely happy with them. So what we'll do now is we'll just see if that vibration is the same, worse or better, and then that should probably sum up the video. Nice and simple, guys. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm going to take it for a quick ride, see if there's any difference, and it should sum it up. Alright, so I took it for a wee spin. Didn't notice anything major vibration wise. I just noticed that these are going past my shoulders a lot more. So I think it's a win-win. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Till next time, catch you later.